Hi guys, welcome back. Oh my god, happy new year. I cannot believe it's been so long. I'm back. As you guys noticed, my page looks a little different, but it's intentional. I have really big plans for this year, and I'm actually starting it off by showing you guys my first ever suitcase partnership. But the cool thing about it is, you guys, like, I literally started the year off last year by pitching to all these travel companies, just like, you know what, I want to talk about all the things that I'm into, not just my jewelry line, but I want to talk about how I've incorporated astrology into travel and astrocartography just in general. So I pitched it to like a couple of travel companies just to see what happens, and then at the end of the year I ended up getting contacted. So I decided on a specific color on my suitcase, and I'm so excited to show you guys what it looks like and why I love it, because I'm obsessed. First off, it's a carry-on, because as we all know, all the checking the bags, all the extraness, I don't have time for that. Nobody has time for that. We need travel carry-on luggage. And personally, I feel like it makes trips easier, especially if you have a quick trip. And if you guys didn't know, astrocartography, when we think about how we just innately have this knowing of like, I want to visit that place. Oh, that place has been calling me since I was a kid. That's what astrocartography is. It helps you understand the deep understanding of why you feel that way. And sometimes you might get like a quick urge, like just to go and catch a quick flight. So why not just get a really good carry-on? So the company is called, I'm actually taking the cover off now. The company is called Level 8. I'm gonna show you guys, I'm actually gonna show you guys a better video, but it's pink. I'm obsessed. Look at this. It's 4 wheels, which is necessary to have like that smooth glide experience in the airport. And then you can just put it right above your head in your overhead bin. It's perfect. I'm gonna show you guys like the specs and all that, but I also wanted to talk about astrocartography while I do all of this. So, okay, so this is the lock, the TSA lock, which is really cool. I don't think I've ever had a suitcase that had a lock. So you pop it open like that. And then just turn it over. Already know what I have to say. Any suitcase that has zippers and compartments is your best friend. You need a place where you can put your shoes so you can separate your clothes from your items that you don't want touching your clothes. And of course, I love that they have that underneath zipper for shoes as well. And then the smaller compartment is on this side. Love this. This is actually really good. Love this. This is for like toiletries and stuff like that. And then another zipper. Yeah, this is gonna be perfect. So yeah, super simple, cute. I'll show you guys how I pack it eventually, but I just wanted you to see how cute the color is. So to talk a little bit more about it, so this is the little pamphlet it comes with. It has little facts about it, which I think are cool. It's durable. I will say, like, the wheels are super smooth. It's like gliding like a dream. And I have had like tons of suitcases over the years, and I immediately know when I look at one if it's gonna roll well, and this one definitely does. So it definitely has low noise wheels and very glidable. It has the TSA lock, which I talked about. The only thing about this suitcase, I've never done a TSA lock suitcase, but I guess that they have like a certain code for the lock, even if you don't have the code. But if you're a regular person, like, they won't be able to get into it. And then they have a telescope handle. I think that's the cutest thing. I've never known that this is called a telescope handle, but that ties directly into astro, so I love it. And then yeah, you have a way to grab it on the top, and then you have a way to grab it on the side, which is super helpful when you are going from point A to B and transporting it from your overhead bin to the car and all that jazz. So yeah, this is really cool, you guys. I highly recommend it. I'm going to be traveling with this thing non-stop. I can't wait to show you guys more videos as I use it on my quick trips, things that even not even just flying, like even when I travel and drive and I go home and visit my family, I'm going to use it. So this is really good for that. Let me talk about the colors. This is the color I chose. Obviously I love pink, so I had to get pink, but they have so many colors, you guys. I love the color options. They're very like nice and like soft. They're like pastel colors. I feel like some suitcases, they can come off a little too bold, especially when they're hard cases, or they're too boring. So I feel like they have like a cool sleek energy where they give you some cool colors, but they're not too flashy. So you can have this still like and feel professional, and you can still spot your suitcase apart from other people, which is the best part about having a really cool suitcase or a colorful suitcase. So yeah, I will definitely be taking this suitcase with me on quite a few travels this year, and I cannot wait to share all the things that I love about it even while traveling. And if you guys want to buy it, I'm going to link it below so you're able to purchase it. Again, it's level 8 suitcases, and I'm so excited, you guys. Like, it's only the beginning. I pitched to like a couple of other companies that I feel like align with just travel in general, and I think it's so cool to bring different topics into the world of travel, like astrocartography. And it's funny because astrocartography was actually marked in the article being like one of the top 25 travel trends of 2025. So I wholeheartedly agree. I think that is going to be something that takes the world by storm. A lot of people think travel is just a woo-woo in general, like, oh, you're going somewhere to escape something, but there's so many different reasons I feel personally that people travel. It's not just for fun. Sometimes it's for grief, sometimes it's for a reset, sometimes people go places to actually spiritually tie themselves back to the land. Maybe they need to like reset, ground themselves. And how cool is it to know that we have a tool to help us know that beforehand, to know where we can go to tap into those different energies. So I think that astrophotography is a life-changing. Just having the knowledge alone is just so helpful for people who love to travel, for people who just love to like plan. I think it's really great to know where you are. And if you want to think about even where you live, not even just leaving where you live, but just knowing the energies that you're working with when it comes to your day-to-day experience in your home space, like, life-changing. So I'm actually excited to share so much more this year. I know that my channel looks a little different, but I'm excited to just be more informative when it comes to the things that I'm into, not just, you know, having the camera and you guys are just following me along, even though I plan to do that still. But I wanted to sit down and actually share stuff that just I feel is helpful, things and tools that I feel that I use, that I feel like you guys could definitely benefit from using as well. So feel free on this journey to be more interactive. Comment below with questions. Like, let me know what you're thinking. Let me know what your travel plans are this year. I'm so excited to hear all of them. And yeah, I have so much on the way and I'm just excited.